So let's jump into it. So I first start out with my leave-in conditioner. I like to use a spray leave-in conditioner because it's super lightweight. And I just spray this all over my hair. I don't really section my hair just because I find that with my new haircut, I don't really need to. And then I'm going in with my unbrush to detangle. Now, I didn't cut this part up because I wanted to show you guys how freaking amazing this brush is. This brush, I know it went viral, but it went viral for all the right reasons. I love this brush so much. Links will also be in the description box down below, but this brush works so well. I also use this on my son's hair, who is a toddler, and it's just so gentle on his hair. This brush is just so good. Like I love this brush so much. I use this to detangle my hair. Look it. And now I'm just going to move on to the other side. If my hair is tangled, I'll just, separate my hair. But typically I don't really until it's coming to styling, which I'm going to do next. And so I section my hair into 2 sections. I just got thick hair, and at the end of the day, I need to section my hair for styling. So I'm going to go in with my favorite mousse, the Dew Mousse Def Mousse. And it is the best mousse. Look at this product work, okay? Do you see how it is just clumping and forming my curls perfectly? I have yet to find a better product. I say it all the time. This is what I'm using. I've been using this for a long time, and I'm sorry. I can't switch up. It just works so well. So then I'm just going to go ahead and continue to apply this mousse throughout the rest of my hair. And so I wanted to just make this video because I am a mommy. I do work full time. And at the end of the day, I just do need a quick and easy curly hair routine. I just don't have the time that I used to have. So this has been just my tried and true routine lately. I'm finding I don't necessarily need to section my hair as much as I used to in the past. If you guys watch my older videos, I just don't need to. And because my products work so well, I just don't get the frizz. I just don't really see much of a difference unless I want just a super, super, super defined look. But just to give my curls, some extra definition here and there, this routine is my tried and true. So I wanted to share because I know there's other of you out there like me who just want a quick and easy, no fuss, reliable curly hair routine. So here I am just applying the mousse up top, and I'm switching over to define my curls. I'm using the Tangle Teaser. I really love the way that this clumps and defines my curls. So what I do is just take sections at the top that I want to be defined, and I just section those out, run the brush through, and as you can see, they just clump my curls beautifully. And that has just been kind of like my routine lately. You just can see how beautiful those curls look. And so I'll just go ahead and continue to do that throughout the rest of my hair. And I have also found that this routine will last me about a week. I wash my hair about once a week now. I just don't need to wash it that often. These products work so well, especially this mousse just has so much longevity to it. I can wear a really defined look like this for a while, a whole week, and it holds my curls. It does an amazing job. So I'm going to give you a close-up as well so you guys can see what these curls look like. And if there's any frizzy pieces, I'll just kind of go over those. But I just air dry, and I'm going to show you what my hair looks like the next day. So I do pineapple my hair at night, and then I will take it down and just honestly shake it out. I don't add any more new product to my hair. I don't add any oil, serums, nothing. If anything, I might use a little mousse if it's frizzy or a little bit of water, but that's it. So I do find that it is in the beginning of the day, I have a lot of volume. Towards the end of the day, I might calm down just a little bit. As the days go on, I do have some frizz, so I just touch up certain pieces here and there. But overall, this is what my curly hair routine looks like. And I'll give you guys a close-up as well. But I just fix them, adjust the curls as I see necessary. But that's it. That is my quick and easy, updated curly hair routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.